Our mother is probably the most important person in our life. So doesn't it make sense to do something special for Mom on Mother's Day? You could give her a new home, a new car, perhaps jewelry or a vacation. But if you're like the rest of us, you're probably going to have to be just a little bit more practical. So how about treating Mom to a shopping spree at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida? WestPoint Home is celebrating Mother's Day with a whopping 25% off everything in the store. With the largest selection of name brand bed and bath products, from pillows and comforters to sheets, towels, accessories, and apparel, WestPoint Home has the best in design innovation, style, and comfort, with brands representing the latest in home fashion. And to help you celebrate Mother's Day in a practical and affordable way, from May 10th through May 19th, now save 25% off everything in the store. Now open 7 days a week in downtown Chipley, Florida, on Main Street, just a mile from I-10 at exit 120. It's the WestPoint Home Mother's Day sale. With a thanks to all the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day from WestPoint Home.